Hello, my dear friends. I hope you are doing well. First of all, when I want to start the chemistry from the basic level, in that basic level, first of all, how the chemistry is related to our daily life. In our daily life, where we are going to see our chemistry, that we are going to deal in this lecture. Then after that, what are the basics and what are the basics to have to start our chemistry? If these basics are well and good, now when we are going to study our chemistry, there you are not get any problem. First, these basics are almost you have learned in your lower classes. But even though once I want to recap your basics, but before going to recap, I want to give you one proper suggestion where our the chemistry is related to our daily life, where we are going to see our chemistry in our daily life that we are going to see. Okay, now first see important and the scope of chemistry. What are the main component of the food for the chemistry? In the when this is we used to see regularly. What is this one? This is H2O solid is nothing but ice, right? Ice we used to see now in a summer we used to have more, right? This ice, in the ice what we are having, this is H2O. H2O at 0 degrees, what it will happen, it will be converted into the ice. This chemistry we are going to see in our daily life. Then at a moderate temperature, at 4 degrees temperature, then this is the H2O liquid water. Clear? This is the H2O is a one chemistry chemical compound. Done. Next, what is this? This is our food. This is our food. What is that? Sugar, right? We used to use our sugar daily. That is, this is also one main important compound of the chemistry. Next, another important compounds are also there in our food. That is amino acids. Amino acids are also there, that where we are going to see our chemistry in our food. Clear? Next we are going to move in the fertilizers. What is the meaning of the fertilizers? In our fertilizers also, main ingredients of the chemistry we will use. The first very most the ingredient that we are going to use of our chemistry is, see what this farmer is doing. I hope you know, this farmer is spraying the one compound of the chemistry. What is that compound of the chemistry? I hope you know. And this compound, what the farmer is spraying, this compound is first compound that the scientist has found in the laboratory. That the scientist has where the found in laboratory. The first organic compound that was found in the laboratory, that is urea. This is the urea. Urea. What is the formula of the urea? NH2 C double bond O NH2. Clear? This is the first compound that was discovered in the laboratories. Before all the organic compounds was naturally synthesized, they said, but this is the first compound that was found in the laboratories, and this is the very crucial role that we are going to see or that we are going to use in our where in the agriculture. This is urea. Urea is also a chemical compound, and this is also where this will play a very crucial role in our chemistry. Okay, next here we are going to see in this picture. I hope you are going to see what you are going to see in this. This is which one? This is cows or buffaloes, right? This one is eating something. In this one, here also one chemistry or one chemical compound, well known compound for you, that they have mixed that compound. that chemical compound they have mixed so that it is easy for the digestion of the cows or any buffaloes. Clear? What is that? That chemistry compound that we will use it here. It is a KCl, potassium chloride. This is a potassium chloride that it is a very crucial role that we are going to use in our fertilizers. The chemistry in fertilizers. Clear? This the ingredients of which the cow is eating. In that cow, they are the farmers. They are going to mix the which one? One chemistry compound that is KCl. KCl that it will be helpful for the cows to have the easy digestion. Clear? The next thing. See, here we are having the plenty of chemistry elements that we are going to see in our which one, where we are going to see this, we are going to see in our chemistry in the daily life that we are going to use in the fertilizers. The first one, the main thing here they are going to use, see, one is nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. Okay, done. Now these are the some key elements that we are going to use where in our fertilizers. Okay, next we'll move. This is very important, and I hope you know. See, by the heading itself, you know, in the health also, not only in the food, not only in the where, not only in the fertilizers, chemistry will play very crucial role in our health. The first thing, in our recent years, we have used our chemistry daily. Daily in the sense like daily we may use it that chemical compound daily. It's depending upon you. Maybe you have used it 10 times, or maybe some of them have used it more than 20 times, some of them have used it more than 5 times. First, I hope you have seen this one. I hope you have seen this one. What is that one? That is sanitizer. In the recent corona times, we have used our sanitizers, right? In that sanitizer also, we are having our well-known chemistry compound that most of the people they know. What is the chemical compound that is present in our sanitizer? That is propane 2-ol. Clear? This is the chemical compound that it is present in our sanitizer. But it should not be a concentrated one. It is diluted one. Diluted propane 2-ol has been used in our sanitizers. These sanitizers that we have used in our recent corona times. I hope you are also used. I think so. Next, sir, maybe this compound may be new to you, but this compound will play very crucial role in the treatment of which one? In the treatment of cancer. And this compound we call it as a cisplatin. Clear? This compound we call it as a cisplatin, and this compound will play very crucial role in the treatment of which one? In the treatment of cancer. In the cancer, to treatment of the cancer, the main ingredient or the main compound that we are going to use, this is a cisplatin. This is also one chemical compound. And the next one, I hope you have seen the one tablet here, and on the tablet we have seen the structure of our chemical compound. What is this? Azidothymidine. Clear? This compound or this one, this chemical formula, this chemical compound is used in the treatments of HIV and AIDS. In the HIV and the AIDS, this is the compound that it is going to use. And next thing, and the next compound where our which one? The next compound that you are going to see. Maybe these compounds are new to you, but I will say the name of this one. The compound name, it is aspirin. We used to see aspirin tablets. We used to see the aspirin tablets, right? The same thing. This is the aspirin, our chemical compound that we are going to see. And how this aspirin is prepared, that we are going to see in our organic chemistry. In our organic chemistry, there was a chapter called alcohols, phenols, ethers. There, how this aspirin has been prepared, there we are going to see. And the next one, this one is a cisplatin. This cisplatin, sir, where with this cisplatin it will come in your chemistry? You may have a doubt. This it will come in the chapter called the coordination chemistry. There was a chapter called the coordination chemistry. In the coordination chemistry, this compound it will come. And there was a chapter called the organic alcohols, phenols, ether. There, this aspirin and the preparation of the aspirin also will come. Here, see how the chemistry is playing the very crucial role, not only where in the food, not only in the fertilizers, and it is playing very crucial role in the very big diseases. See how the chemistry has played very crucial role in the corona time. Now it is playing very crucial role in the cancer, and at the same time it is playing the very crucial role in the very high disease, that is HIV and the AIDS. And next one is the aspirin, that we are going to see this one in generally. Okay. Next, before going to start, here those are the some basic how the in our daily life, how the chemistry is related in our daily life that we have seen. Now today we are going to see this one in that. First of all, physical classification of the matter. Already you know we are having the matter. Matter, what is the meaning of the matter? Matter, that we are having the solid, liquid and the gaseous. See, this is the solid. Solid, when it is converted into liquid, again this liquid will be converted into gaseous. Then this is this one. In that solid, we know all the atoms will be tightly packed. Now when it comes to the liquid, compared to solid, it was having some free space. What is the shape of the liquid, if they ask? If it is present in the bottle, if it is this liquid, if it is present in the bottle, that shape of the bottle will be the shape of that liquid will be that bottle shape. Clear? If it is present in some one square box, if I ask what is the shape of that liquid, means that square box. Clear? Now when it comes to the gaseous, it is having the very free space, freely it can move. But how this solid is converted into the liquid? By heating or by cooling? We know, right? By heating the solid, that solid will be converted into liquid. Then after that, this liquid again, if you heat, it will be converted into the gas. Okay, I hope you can see here. This is solid. Best example that we have seen in the solid, that is ice. First, this solid ice, when I was eating, that it has been converted into liquid, and this process we call it as a melting. Solid converting into liquid, and that process we call it as which one? Melting. Okay. Next, again from this liquid, if you heat this liquid, it is converting into gaseous, and that process we call it as evaporation. Done. This one we call it as a evaporation. Done. Next, directly, sometimes you want to be convert directly solid into the gaseous. Sir, I don't want to convert solid into the liquid, again liquid into gaseous. I will take one solid substance, and I will convert that solid substance into the gaseous. Can you say me the one general example, sir, which is having that one? The general example for you, which is having for that one is which one? I hope you used to see naphthalene wax and camphor, and the next one is a camphor. What is the camphor? Where we used to see the camphor? In the temples. The priest used to use, right? Clear? That camphor. Camphor will play very crucial role. Camphor, that what it will do? It will convert the solid into gaseous. Directly it will convert that solid into the gaseous. Okay. Now next, sir, the one solid is directly converted into the gaseous one. Which one? That is camphor. Basically that camphor we are going to see in our where? In our temples. Now the next one we are going to see next, the gas that is converting into the liquid. The gas that is converting into the liquid, and the process we call it as which one? Condensation. And the process we call it as now gas is converting into the liquid. If the gas is converting into the liquid, and that process we call it as a condensation. Here we are going to see condensation, and the liquid is converting into the solid, and that we call it as a freezing. Done? Clear? Now here the gas is converting into the liquid, condensation, and the liquid is converting into the solid, that we call it as a freezing. So